because the extensor digitorum longus is going to be kind of wrapped a little bit by the tibialis anterior towards the front, and it's going to be wrapped a little bit by the peroneus longus, because the peroneus longus also runs along the extensor digitorum longus, and they're both long muscles. Okay, that's why it's called extensor digitorum longus, and we saw that last time, yesterday, when we were doing the sciatic nerve branches and stuff like that, and the muscles. You see the connective tissue here that I said. You see how many layers of connective tissue that you find over here. You know that you just have to be real patient. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be real patient about it, and then you are cutting off that, cutting off. I still have time. I still got all sorts of time. Do you see what I'm saying, my good friends? I am gonna do that, and do you see when I peel it off? Do you see now the muscle? You see it nicely, and you could see this one here. You see the separation here being like that. Is gonna separate the extensor digitorum longus, extensor digitorum longus. Okay, like that, like that, like that. So there's that. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, very good. And then I promise we'll be done. Okay, and then I'm gonna kind of cut this. So there's a lot of connective tissue here. Okay, so there's that. And then again, you have to do this. You do that. You do that. Okay, very good. Very good. And then you do that. And then I'm gonna use this to gain access a little bit, just making sure that I am not do you see that? Being like that, being and then like that, and then I just cut here. See this connective tissue a little bit. So now I'm trying to free the extensor digitorum longus. There's gonna be like a lot of muscles here. Do you see how this was kind of covering, like doing like that? So if you kind of not paying attention, it's easy to destroy this nice round muscle here. You see this one right here. This is the extensor digitorum longus, which runs along this, which is the peroneus longus. That's why I was saying earlier on, the common fibular nerve can also be called the common peroneum because of this peroneus longus. You see what I'm saying? So the peroneus longus, extensor digitorum longus, and then this one here, see the tibia is like right there. There's the tibia. Do you see it? So this is in front of the tibia. So the tibialis anterior. So the tibialis anterior, when you do this, when you dorsiflex, you can feel your tibialis anterior. You see over here, you can feel it. That's right there. So this is that muscle. That is right in front of your shin muscle. So that's the tibialis anterior, and then this is the extensor digitorum longus, peroneus longus, and then this is the soleus, and then the gastrocnemius, all right, and then oh my god, my semitendinosus, almost broke here. So my semitendinosus, okay, so I'm gonna cut some of this connective tissue off of here like this. Okay, very good. So there's that. So semitendinosus, and then this would be the biceps femoris, right? Okay, all right, and then over here would be the gracilis. So I'm just going through the posterior thigh muscles, and then I've done both the posterior and anterior leg muscles, and then so that we can cut the video, and then we'll do the video with everything. Okay, so there's the gracilis, okay, semitendinosus that unfortunately broke or was torn, and then this is the semimembranosus, and then this sort of wide triangular muscle is going to be the adductor femoris in the cat, still adductor longus in the human, and then this long thin one here, okay, is going to be adductor longus in the cat, still adductor longus in the human. Okay, and that concludes all the back muscles here in the posterior leg and the posterior thigh, hamstrings, anterior and posterior leg.